All right, this is Will again with Competitive Edge Pavers, and we are here with the completed install of our patio, seat wall, artificial turf, putting green. We also installed the artificial hedge, which looks really nice in this setup here. So on the putting green, to get the proper elevation, we use the Bellegarde Castle Manor wall block material. And for the pavers, we use the new Scandina Dimensions 18. We also sealed this. Should be able to see a nice little sheen on top. We sealed the seat wall as well. The hedge wall looks amazing. Homeowner just purchased new outdoor furniture as well as a jacuzzi. We kind of bulletproofed the foundation as well, knowing we were going to use, he was going to install a jacuzzi. We also used the Castle Manor wall block, retaining wall block material under the patio. Just to beef it up a little bit, but the rocks are hiding it a little bit. And we used the Old World paver from Bellegarde for the borders, just to kind of accent it a little bit. And there you have it, final product. Catch you guys on the next one.